Hi everyone, thank you so much for tuning in. Today we are sharing a delicious cheesecake recipe. The first thing we will do is preheat our oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Also make sure all of your ingredients are at room temperature. Then we're going to start off on our crust. I'm going to add half a cup of vanilla wafers to our food processor, or if you don't have one, you can also crush them in a Ziploc. Then we're going to add our melted butter and mix it in. And then we're going to do the same thing with the graham crackers. I'm going to press it down, and as you can see, I'm using a springform pan. It really comes in handy when it's time to unmold. Then we will start on our filling. I'm going to mix in the cream cheese, the eggs, the sour cream, the sugar, flour, vanilla extract, and lemon juice. Give it a little tap to release any bubbles. Then we're going to bake for an hour and a half. Once it's done, you want to make sure it cools down completely before putting it in the fridge. We are going to refrigerate for approximately 12 hours. Then we're ready to add our toppings. I'm using Aldi's cherry pie filling. I like this because it uses no corn syrup. And this is how it turned out. I hope you try out this recipe and enjoy it as much as we did. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you guys next time. Bye.